Hi there. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to auto-generate captions in Premiere Pro. It's quick, easy, and customizable. Let's see how to do it. Start by creating a new sequence and importing your audio file. Next, open the text panel. If you don't see it, go to the window menu and select text option to enable it. Once you're there, select your audio and click on the transcribe sequence option. Then Premiere Pro will generate a text transcript automatically. After the transcription is ready, click on the Create Captions button. Here, you can adjust your caption settings. When you're done, hit Create Captions, and the captions will be added to your timeline. If you need to edit or style any word, simply select it and head to the Essential Graphics panel. From here, you can adjust the font, size, color, position, and more. To apply these settings across all text layers, click on the Push to Track button. You can also save your customizations as a reusable style. To do this, go to the Project panel, right-click on your text style, and select Export Text Style. To use a saved style, import it into your project panel. Then select your text track, open the Essential Graphics panel, find your saved style, and apply it. And that's it. Now you know how to auto-generate captions and customize them in Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more editing tips and tricks.